fancy name for naming things. You won't outrun a cheetah, and I'll sure be glad you can't. Everything is out to eat you. Go to Yelp and post a rant. Oh, nature is a scary place. A thing could just shit on you. Rip off your face. Most weird things out in nature will just likely eat you raw. So be prepared to run like hell. Try not to trip and fall. The bird goes caw. The flippin' bird goes caw. The monkey talks about macaque. The bear just shits and moans. The vulture travels in